How to find unlimited video ideas for YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Discovering unlimited video ideas for YouTube involves a multifaceted approach. Conduct keyword research to identify trending topics. Analyze competitors for inspiration and audience preferences. Stay current with industry news and social media trends. Encourage audience engagement through key and sessions and feedback. Collaborate with others for diverse perspectives. Leverage Google Trends for real-time insights. Focus on evergreen content that remains relevant. By combining these strategies, creators can cultivate a constant stream of engaging, diverse, and sought-after video ideas for sustained growth on the dynamic platform. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Collaborations. Collaborations offer a goldmine of video ideas for YouTube, providing diverse perspectives and engaging content. Partner with creators in your niche or related fields to exchange ideas and introduce new topics to your audience. Collaborative videos can range from joint challenges, interviews, or even co-hosted series. By tapping into your collaborators' expertise, you unlock fresh perspectives and widen your content horizons. This not only introduces variety, but also caters to both audiences, expanding your reach and generating endless possibilities for innovative and compelling video content on YouTube. Number 9. Evergreen Content. Evergreen content forms the backbone of a sustained YouTube strategy, offering timeless video ideas that consistently attract viewers. Explore universally relevant topics in your niche that remain valuable over time, ensuring your videos continue to garner interest long after their initial release. Tutorials, educational content, and comprehensive guides are examples of evergreen themes. By creating videos with lasting appeal, you build a reliable library that continually draws in new viewers. This strategy not only provides a steady stream of content ideas, but also positions your channel as a valuable resource, fostering long-term growth and engagement on the YouTube platform. Number 8. Industry News. Leveraging industry news for YouTube video ideas ensures a constant stream of relevant and timely content. Stay abreast of developments within your niche, offering insightful commentary, analysis, or updates. Translate breaking news into engaging videos that capture your audience's interest and keep them informed. Addressing current trends and events positions your channel as a go-to source for the latest information, fostering viewer trust and loyalty. From product launches to industry shifts, incorporating news-driven content not only attracts immediate attention, but also ensures your YouTube channel remains a dynamic and authoritative voice within your field. Number 7. Social media trends. Embracing social media trends unlocks a wealth of video ideas for YouTube, ensuring your content resonates with current audience interests. Monitor platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter to identify trending challenges, memes, or topics within your niche. Adapt these trends to create engaging and shareable videos that align with the current online culture. Whether it's a dance challenge, reaction video, or a trend-related discussion, integrating social media trends into your YouTube strategy not only keeps your content fresh, but also positions your channel at the forefront of online conversations, attracting a broader audience and driving sustained growth. Number 6. Q&A sessions. Conducting Q&A sessions is a potent strategy for discovering endless video ideas on YouTube. Encourage your audience to submit questions, addressing queries related to your expertise or personal experiences. Each question can serve as a unique video topic, fostering engagement and providing valuable insights. Q&A videos allow you to connect with your audience, humanize your content, and adapt to their evolving interests. By consistently incorporating Q&A sessions into your content calendar, you create a dynamic dialogue, ensuring a continuous flow of diverse and viewer-driven video ideas that keep your YouTube channel both informative and interactive. Number 5. Google Trends. Google Trends is a potent tool for generating limitless video ideas on YouTube. Explore rising search queries and trending topics, tailoring your content to match current user interests. Identify seasonal trends, regional preferences, and fluctuations in search volume. By aligning your videos with what's currently popular, you can capture a broader audience and capitalize on viral content potential. Google Trends not only sparks innovative ideas, but also ensures your YouTube channel remains relevant and responsive to the dynamic nature of online searches, fostering sustained growth and engagement through a strategic approach to content creation. Number 4. Audience feedback. Audience feedback is an invaluable wellspring of unlimited video ideas on YouTube. Actively engage with comments, messages, and social media interactions to understand your audience's interests, questions, and preferences. Tailor your content to address their needs, turning their feedback into rich sources of inspiration. Conduct polls or ask for suggestions, allowing your community to actively shape your content. By being attuned to your audience's feedback, you not only enhance viewer satisfaction, but also ensure a continuous flow of relevant and sought-after video ideas, cultivating a dynamic and responsive YouTube channel that resonates with your audience's evolving expectations. Number 3. Trending topics. Tapping into trending topics is a dynamic strategy for an endless stream of video ideas on YouTube. Monitor platforms, news cycles, and niche-specific trends to identify topics capturing widespread attention. Create content that aligns with these trends, whether it's a reaction video, tutorial, or discussion. Capitalize on the current conversation, ensuring your videos are timely and resonate with viewers seeking up-to-the-minute content. Trending topics not only boost discoverability, but also position your channel as a relevant and engaging source, fostering continuous growth by staying at the forefront of online discussions and capturing the interest of a broad audience. Number 2. Competitor analysis. Conducting competitor analysis is a strategic approach for a wealth of video ideas on YouTube. Explore successful channels within your niche, identify their popular videos, and discern audience preferences. Analyze the engagement levels and comments to gauge viewer interests. Use this insight to put your unique spin on similar topics or address gaps in their content. By staying aware of your competitors, you not only remain informed about industry trends, but also discover opportunities to offer distinct, high-quality content. Competitor analysis becomes a continual source of inspiration, ensuring your YouTube channel remains innovative, relevant, and consistently appealing to your target audience. Number 1. Keyword research. Keyword research is a strategic cornerstone for discovering a trove of video ideas on YouTube. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify popular and relevant search terms within your niche. Uncover search queries with high volume and low competition, ensuring your videos have the potential for maximum visibility. Craft content around these keywords, addressing specific topics and viewer queries. By aligning your videos with what users are actively searching for, you not only enhance discoverability, but also position your YouTube channel as a go-to resource, attracting a steady stream of viewers interested in your niche and ensuring sustained growth. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching,